For our future, 15 reasons to support VP Chiwenga. Sabena mashoko obuda nyogwa pana ma reasons onyogwa na Isaac Makomich. Ajite these are reasons. Aiwa, ego support VP Chiwenga no subscribe or like on the bell icon. Tibina painda Makomich anobuda nyola chiti. Number 1. Anti-corruption crusade. He has emerged as a senior politician openly, confronting corruption and promoting accountability. He also demanded the arrest of Gananda. Number 2. Liberation struggle. Chiwenga fought in the war for Zimbabwe to gain independence, showing his commitment to the country's freedom. Number 3. Regime change. Chiwenga played a key role in removing Mugabe from power when he was no longer serving the people's interests. Number 4. Commitment to constitutionalism. Chiwenga is committed to upholding the constitution and the principled governance. He is the only person trying to block the 2030 faction from tampering with the constitution for their personal gains. Number 5. Military leadership. He served as the commander of the defense forces, demonstrating his leadership skills. Number 6. Clean governance, policy, and his integrity. Chiwenga has been talking about enforcing clean governance and demanding that the leaders must have integrity. Number 7. Servant leadership. He focuses on serving others, empowering his team, and fostering collaboration. Number 8. Economic vision. Chiwenga is driving a value addition agenda centered on mining beneficiation, renewable energy, and AI-enabled growth. Number 9. National unity. He is working to bridge tribal and social divides to foster national cohesion. Number 10. Faith-informed leadership. Guided by his Christian faith, he emphasizes compassion, empathy, and service. Number 11. He is a family man. Chiwenga is married to Minnie Baloyi, who is a colonel in the army. She is very supportive and she has a golden heart. She is humble. National building. He prioritizes policies that drive economic development and social justice and human rights. Care for the poor. Chiwenga is committed to improving the lives of the poor and vulnerable. He is a man of his words. Chiwenga doesn't indicate right, then turn left. He is a straightforward person and he is not a double standard. He doesn't believe in tribalism. Chiwenga doesn't matter which profits you come from. He values every effort. Domashikombera toka pangwa ino ma reasons ekuti vanhu vasapoti generally. Pena comment section medu dzafungura aim to kudipa mzoro pechitiko ichi. So subscribe or like, onchero ntomba mbeo icon.